create a new patient. So here we can click this button. Click this button. Enter in the new patient name. Type in the patient name here. Okay. The first time, you need to enter the doctor name, then confirm. Just wait for the data to synchronize. So this is the new patient. We have successfully created a new patient. If you just want to do the bonding, you don't need to fill in any of these other sections. You don't need to do anything else. Just click here, 3D, Orthodos 3D. And here you can input the 3D model.